Hi students, hope you people would have worked on your previous exercise, which is creating a sofa in Maya. So what I will do here is I'll open my sofa detailing Maya file. So if you can remember, this is my base mesh. This is my mesh for gaming. So where I created my sofa components into like different elements. So this is my sofa created using a single object and applied with edge loops. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna create the cushions and also the pillows here. Okay, so before I start off, what I'm gonna do here is I want to segregate elements separately. So what I will do is I'll create a new layer. Okay, so I can double click on it. You can change the name of your layer. This can be your base mesh. Okay, so no space is allowed in Maya. Okay, what you can do, select object, right click, add to selected. So V is your visibility. So if visibility is not enabled, it will be like turned off. Okay, so T is transparent. So R is reference. It will be there, but you cannot do anything. Okay, I cannot select, move, rotate, whatever you want. R is just, it will be just placed there, but it will not be, you cannot do anything. When nothing is there, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so right now I'm taking off the visibility, which is your for your base mesh. So I'm gonna add this element also to my base mesh. So visibility is gone. So I'm gonna work on the mesh, which is the final product. Okay, so I'm trying to keep it at the center. Okay, just press F. Okay, so object is there at the center. Going to my perspective. So next thing what I am planning to do here is I am gonna open my image to see how it's gonna look. So gonna make this bigger. So this is my sofa here. So I need to think basically. So before you start off with any kind of model, so it's important that you need to plan how we are gonna approach our model. Two is after smoothing it out. One is without smoothing. Okay, without smoothing it's gonna look bad. So two is your smooth applied. Okay, so one. Okay, so now I need two cushions. Okay, so this cushion and this pillow is totally different, and this pillow is also slightly different. Okay, so this pillow, if you can see here, I'll make it bigger. Okay, first we'll finish with the pillows. Okay, this pillow has sharper edges. Can you see at the end? Okay, so this pillow, it's slightly having a curvy kind of edge, and it's also not constant. So see the edges here. So this sharpness and this is different, and this one is like very blunt. Okay, so it's not having a constant kind of shape as such. So this is going to be tricky if you are planning to create exactly the same replica of like how it is there in the image. It's going to take you more time, but if you want to get a to an 80 percentage kind of output, then we can try with the maximum kind of shape that is available for this cushion. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, all the four sides, if you can take, is having somewhat curvy kind of edge. Okay, but so that is the one. Next one is your the place where you will be seated. So this one is having a beading kind of edge. Okay, this one is sharper. Can you see here? Okay, this one is sharper, and these two areas is like slightly bulging out, and it's having a flat surface here. Okay, so that's how we need to do it. So we'll see whether we'll be able to create such kind of detailing over there. So Maya needs to support us. Okay, so that is the kind of challenge we have here. So next one is this one. It's like it's not cylindrical, it's not flat. It's having somewhat a very smooth kind of edge. It's not having elevation and a flat surface. Okay, so this one is having somewhat a cylindrical kind of surface. So we are having three different kind of cushions that needs to be done. So what I'll do is I'll create cushions one by one. So we'll again, I'm not what to say. I'm doing it spontaneously. I have not tried it anytime. This will be a trial and error. So at any given point of time, if I am stuck up somewhere, if I am doing something wrong, I might redo it again. So please be patient and let's proceed. Okay. So first, what I'm going to do here, I'll make this smaller. So bear with me, guys. Okay. So okay, I'm going to the polygon modeling. I want a cube. Taking the cube outside. So need to be totally cylindrical. So it would be 3. So I'll see whether it perfectly fits this one. So the top view, nope. Okay, 4. Okay. So in this view, I'll just take it in. So meshes will not be seen. Just press 4. 4 is your just the viewport. Okay. So yes, it's fitting perfectly. You can take it up. Okay. Slightly take it up more to the corner. So now in perspective will be there. Okay, this one. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Slightly bring it down. Yeah. This is placed here. Right now, this edge and this edge is almost meeting. Okay. Can you see? So the curvature is down. So this bleed is gonna go till the top, slightly up. So what I'm gonna do here is this is the same height we have kept here also. Okay. So now no shoes. Next, what I'm gonna work on is the width. Okay. So the depth would be something around 4. See whether 4 works. 4 is very big. So I'm gonna reduce it to 3. So now to see whether both things will fit perfectly, I'm just gonna make a duplicate, place it here and see whether it's working fine. Yeah, almost there, guys. Yes. So 3 by 3 is fine. So it's nothing but I'm creating the cushion for 3 feet. So 2 feet would be our sitting area, 1 feet would be on the sides. Normally, the width of the cushion would be 2.5 feet, but this is going to be bigger. So no issues, you don't need to worry. So we'll see how it works. So first one, where do I start? Okay. So okay, I've shaded something. So just see how it works. So first, I'm not gonna think about the bend here. I'm just gonna focus on these two areas where it's sharper, okay, from where I need to create this bend. So I go to the polycube, I'll decrease the height segment. This is my height, okay. So 3 4, okay, yeah, got it. So what I'll do right now, um, I'll create a new layer, add this one to my sofa base, okay. Sofa underscore base, okay, yeah. So now visibility is 0, add selected object. So what I'll do is I'll make it transparent, or it's disturbing me a lot. Okay, right now I don't want to concentrate on it. Now I've taken it, okay. This is what I want. Next one is my edge loops, okay. Polycube, okay, width, width, I don't need to think about, width is fine, okay, yeah. The depth, width, okay. So first I'm thinking something, I'll explain why I am dividing my sofa in such a way. I'll give you the reasons why, okay. So first of all, my plan here is, see, I need two vertex running horizontally here, okay, this area and this area, okay. So which is going to be my this region and this region, okay. So these two kind of vertex would be the edge loops, and it will be scaled to go near here, and this one will be scaled to go now near here, so that I'll have a very sharp edge, okay. So next one would be my curvature. So this top region and this bottom region would be selected together, and it will be scaled down, okay. Next one is I want a curvy kind of what to say, uh, loop. I want a curvy kind of finish. Right now it's sharp. So this vertex would be coming here and this vertex would be going there. So which will be giving me a very kind of smooth kind of output. So this is what I have planned. We'll see whether it works out. So first one, I'm gonna go to my vertex. So I'm gonna select, first I'm gonna move this to my corners. So I'll see how much amount of curvature I want on all sides, okay. So curvature is fine. Then I need curvature on all sides. Got it. Then I also need height segments as 3. Sorry. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go to my vertex, select all, scale it to the corners, same way, go here. Oh my god. See to it you are selecting it properly. See all places, else it's gonna be a problem. Scale it to the corners. Okay. Work is done. So what you have done here now is just press your object mode, just press 2 and see. Can you see the smoothness, the corners, only the edge? Don't worry about the topmost area. We have not worked on it, just the edge, okay. We have got the smoothness here. So again go to 1. Oh my god, sorry guys, click something wrong. My Microsoft don't enable, did something wrong. lot of things have been opened up. Sorry about it. I need my ACDC, my Maya. Yeah, back to work. So just gonna press 1. Okay. So my smooth is ready here. My corners are ready. Next one is working on the vertex, fixing the region. So this can be only done in the side view. So just go near, just press F, zoom out, bring your object. So just press F, vertex. Oh my god, I've not selected this point. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is this one. Vertex. Gonna go to my object mode. So just press 2. Can you see it? The smoothness. So this is the kind of smoothness it's getting. So if you want if you want the height to be applied again, what you can do it, you can apply the edge loop tool to try to take this one slightly up. Okay, the vertex alone. So what we will do, go to the vertex, try to take, okay, sorry, vertex. Vertex, okay, okay, which view? Yeah, press F. So whatever view you are working on is very important. So that you get your proper shape. Okay. Else it's gonna be tougher. Hope you can understand what I'm doing here. The smooth kind of curvature that is required. Okay. So this is the kind of smooth curvature that is required. So this is the rough kind of curvature. This is the smooth kind of curvature. Okay. Or if you think this is not working fine, next one I'll just duplicate. So this mainly for the pillows. Okay, if you want. So these corners, these vertex, I'm just gonna go to my top view. Okay, this is my top. Zoom out a bit, come out here. So for my this won't work. Okay, might work. I need to see. Okay, so I'm going to the top view. What I'm going to do is take my vertex, select this area, the corners. Okay. What I'm going to do is press R, scale it a bit. These two regions plus these two regions, slightly scale it out or bring it near. These two regions and these two regions, bring it near. Looks very awkward. We'll see how the output comes. F8. Can you get that feel? Sharpness here. So your model might look awkward from what I have done, but when you apply the smooth, which is your 2, you will get that sharp feel. Okay. So by this way, you can easily create various kinds of pillows. You can scale it down. This one, this R, F8, this 2, this is your smooth. Okay, this is 2. Okay. So now is your placement. Okay, so this one again, this is the rough kind of work I've done, so that to show you what are the possibilities and probabilities with which you can create elements. So when you are creating your models, you need to be sure that you are making it perfectly to the size, dimension, the proportions for which you are doing it, else it won't look nice. Okay, so see to it you place your objects properly with regard to your model. Need to be slightly bigger. Okay. So your placement, everything requires a lot of work. So the more you work, the more you learn. There is no shortcut for it. So keep practicing. Take any kind of real life examples as your inspiration. Try working with Maya. Maya will give you a lot of insights and you can learn, and there is no stopping for it. Just placing it. So this is your one. So the problem here is this one is coming out and this one is also coming out. So you need to go to your vertex mode. So you need to physically move these vertexes somewhat to the corners here. Then only you will get that feel. So first you need to get the shape, then try to move the vertex to the corners like this. Okay, manipulate it so that you get that feel outside. I'm just gonna show you a very primitive way. Edge loops. Okay. This is a 2. So what I'll do is go to the vertex mode, sorry, object mode, press 1. Okay, so this is the thing. Vertex, select all the vertex, move it, take it out. So what I have done, I did not select the vertex at the back. So that is the reason it's having such problems. Press shift, select it, move it, no issues will be coming. Okay, undo it. Just press 4. See whether unnecessary things are selected. If it is selected, deselect it. Okay, now looks fine. No, still unnecessary things are selected. Only this is required. Okay, yeah, now fine. So what you can do is, along with this one, okay, just press 4. Not this one. Only this area needs to be moved a little. Not a good way of doing it. So I'm not gonna teach you the bad way of doing it. So when you start doing it, see to it you do it properly. Okay. So now to my object mode, I tried working on the bad way. So when you're doing it, first don't create a box. Create the box and move to the corners before you're putting your edge loops or dividing your subdivisions. Then apply your settings. I think it'll be fine now. Okay. So next one is this one. So taking it here, so this needs to be slightly smaller, very small. E. So the thing here is we have not applied texture, so you won't feel that softness for your object. So once we go deep inside, once we finish modeling, we'll only deal with texturing. Okay. So as of now, excuse me for not teaching you about textures. So that will be your texturing and rendering would be your final classes with regard to Maya. Okay. So we need to wait till some time. Placement is very important. So however it's been placed, we need to recreate the same kind of feel so that looks like it's been placed there. Okay. So if it's looking the same kind of thing like how it's been placed in your camera, it'll be always good. So when you're working for any kind of animated movies, your animation director would uh, tell you to recreate the same kind of feel that is being shared by the concept artist, the person who draws your storyboard. Okay. So it's important that a modeler creates plans and does all sorts of things like how it is there. Else you will get lot of corrections and there is no chance you will be able to finish it off. Okay. So moving it in, slightly moving it here. Okay, looks better. Just you need to share your feelings, guys. Okay, yeah, there. So this is my model here. for your thing. The only problem here is you need to move your vertex here, which I did not do it. But this is your rough kind of sketch. So you can create, okay, 2 applied, yeah, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. So give it a try. 2. So what you can do is file save scene as sofa underscore final detail 1. Okay. Okay. So try practicing it. Any doubts, do let me know. So I've created 3 different, okay, 2 applied, 1. See 3. 3 is more smoother. Can you see? That crease, can you see here? This is the kind of sofa. If you want more kind of bulge in the center, you can move the vertex slightly outwards. You'll get that feel. Okay, slightly outwards. These 2 vertexes, 3 by 3. Okay, so that is the kind of way we can do it. So try practicing it. Once this is done, else go to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So always when you're working, save it at 1, so that your Maya will not use more resources while loading. So when you want to apply your render, then you can apply for these kind of higher resolutions. Okay, so try practicing, guys. And if you have any doubts, do message me or share your screenshot. So if you need more time, you can also work till Friday to submit your works. So I kindly request the monitors to let me know whether our students will be able to complete this in one class or they need one more additional class. Okay, if that is the case, they can work till Friday for this exercise. Okay, have a great day, guys. Thank you.